My name is Nikita Sawant. I graduated in spring of 2021, and I am currently a research coordinator at Inova Saville Cancer Screening and Prevention Clinic. I work to support oncology and occupational health studies, where my work involves patient recruitment, data collection, and management. And in addition to that, I also work on a nationwide study called CSRN, which tests a new type of cancer screening test called an MCED, or a multi-cancer detection blood test. And within that study, I help run a more community-based approach where I will go out into different community settings and try to get research out there to different people and show that it's something that everyone can participate in. With my experience in the HPEC's health science concentration, it definitely helped me see how individual health outcomes were able to shape broader health systems, inequalities, and access gaps within healthcare. I had lots of hands-on projects within VCU, and that also helped show me more real-world public health issues, and that definitely motivated me to pursue my MPH in global health, so that way I could build these skills and also work in prevention research. Initially, I did not really like research, or did not like the idea of research, but with the internships that we did, I ended up loving it a lot. And just trying new things is so important, because if you don't, you're not going to find the things that really speak to you.